Right, ladies, bossa nova. So bossa nova with your partner. Gents will be going the same direction as you all the time. So you're going to be stepping to your right on your right foot. They'll be coming with you, going left on their left foot. So you're going to take step to the side. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. We turn those into a bossa nova whisk by taking the left foot back. So we're going to step to the right on the right foot, and the left foot goes back, replace. Now we go to the side, and the right foot goes back, side, back, replace, side, back, replace. To your right first. Gents will be going back as well. Everybody goes back each time. Okay. Finish the last one off. We're going to be doing those open rocks. Gents will be coming with you. I'm just going to do these to the side. Open rocks. Gents will be coming with you. They'll be going forward on their left. You'll be going back on your right. So, for 4 rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do those again. Onto the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Onto the left foot. 3, 4. Onto the right foot. 3, 4. Onto the left foot. 3, 4. Onto the right foot. 3, 4. Left foot. 3, 4. Onto the right foot. 3, 4. Onto the left foot. 3, 4. Forwards and backwards. If I can get a big enough run up. Okay, forwards and backwards. I'll do it backwards because that's where you'll be going. On your right foot, hope you can still hear me. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, onto the right, 3, 4, onto the left, 3, 4, onto the right, 3, 4, onto the left, 3, 4, onto the right, 3, 4, onto the left, 3, 4, and it's important to finish off that 3, 4 so that we're on the right foot to move off, hopefully into these chassis. So you're going to be doing them on your right foot, going backwards first with your gent. He'll be coming towards you on his left. So we'll be doing diagonally back and to the right. 1, quarter turn, 3, 4, 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 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Finish off that 4 so that you're ready to move off on your right foot again. What haven't we done? I can't remember. I think that's everything. So, recap. Basic, whisk, rocks on the right foot, back, 3, 4, back, 3, 4, back, 3, 4, back, 3, 4, forward, 3, 4, forward, 3, 4, forward, 3, 4, forward, 3, 4, chassis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. We did this online. Getting the arms involved really helps, but when you're in hold, 3, 4, with your partner, your shoulders will move. You can take a double hold, it's easy, whichever you want to do, whichever's easiest. Okay, oh, I didn't do for the gents. I will add on. So you're going to be doing the box step, which we did, so like the closed changes in the walls. Gents will be coming towards you on the left. You'll be going backwards on your right. So it's step, 3, 4, forwards, 3, 4, back, 3, 4, forwards, 3, 4, back, 3, 4, forward, 3, 4. Okay, I'm just going to go and add that onto the gents video. Hope that helps. Try and put it together, and if you need me to clarify anything, let me know. Okay.